so cute.
That's very sweet.
Can we see
Yeah.
it?
I'm making a
Again,
movie
taking
of
a
you.
photo.
I'm gonna get my ears off.
Oh, can a mommy wear them?
No.
Okay.
Okay, put your ears back on.
So I can take them off in the picture when I repeat pictures.
Okay, now stand up and show us your swishy dress.
Ooh, yeah. Show Daddy how the dress goes. Spin!
Woo!
And then just stand in one place and move back and forth. Make a whoosh, whoosh. Yeah! Good work.
You're a bunny ballerina.
See?
Do you think we could make her bunny ballerina? We could
I
put-
think she can be whatever she wants to be.
On my back.
She wants a tail.
We could give you a tail, I'm sure.
Can you hop in that?
Now, not with my ear.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bunnies hop.